Like AZ RV expert, how many piano hinges do you see on?
Sorry, it's taking me a while to weigh in on this hinge question. Kind of been working with a catastrophic failure of my own, but we'll get to that later. The first thing I would say is that we're probably giving RV builders a little bit too much credit. No disrespect to them. Piano hinges were a lot more common in mid-90s to early 2000s RVs, simply because they're pretty easy to install. Yes, a piano hinge does act a little bit like a spine for give a little bit more support and keep a door from bowing or folding. But it was about the mid-2000s when the main customer base switched from accepting RV quality to wanting more residential quality. And while RV manufacturers will bend over backwards to save a few cents on each component, giving an RV owner what they want, or at least the illusion of what they want, is more important to them. So the switch from piano hinges on passage doors like this nice solid wood door, in my own cynical opinion, has zero to do with cost or strength of the hinge, because this 2008 marquee from Monaco on this solid wood passage door now has normal door hinges, like you would expect to find on a house. So my cynical answer is that the customer demanded that look. But now, oddly enough, there's at least one manufacturer that considers piano hinges to be a feature and not a bug. And that's Newell. So although you might still find normal European style high quality hinges on the doors, you might still find piano hinges on some other doors. Some of that's just designed because it'll be easier to use a piano hinge on this laminate door for strength and installation. But it's also because their customer base thinks of piano hinges as higher quality. I think we can also agree that a Newell motor coach is a little less residential looking anyways, and a lot more like a yacht. So that's my long-winded answer to say design and customer demands. That's why they went from piano hinges to normal hinges on doors.